PPE isn't just about compliance, it signifies a commitment to the well-being of all involved. Regular training sessions elevate skills. They also instill a deep understanding of safety protocols. Workers must appreciate proper harness adjustments. They must also understand the importance of hard hats, gloves, and other gear. In safety meetings, encourage everyone to share PPE experiences. Personal stories often resonate more than statistics. Sharing fosters a sense of community. It also builds collective responsibility for each other's safety. When discussing safety measures, assign specific roles. This ensures every team member knows their responsibilities. Monthly safety checks can be useful. Workers can inspect their gear alongside co-workers. This proactive approach nurtures a culture of safe practices. Vigilance becomes part of daily operations. Empower workers to lead safety discussions, making them feel valued. Safety culture requires both awareness and education for height-related challenges. Team members should understand dangers from weather or unstable surfaces to stay vigilant. Use real-life scenarios in meetings to practice responses. Simulating emergencies builds confidence and reduces panic. Encourage workers to spot and mitigate risks early. Participation in creating solutions strengthens team bonds and reinforces safety. Remind workers that safety decisions affect both themselves and the team. Engaging everyone creates a safer workplace with continuously managed risks. Discussing past accidents highlights the importance of following protocols. Reinforce accountability so safety becomes everyone's priority. Encourage buddy checks before tasks to strengthen teamwork. Pairing up for gear inspections reduces mistakes and builds trust among team members. This collaboration fosters a sense of responsibility. The safety of the team hinges on collective diligence. Remind workers that even small distractions can lead to critical oversights. Remaining fully engaged is essential. Consider establishing a shared checklist that each worker signs off on before starting tasks. This creates a tangible commitment to safety protocols. Completing each checklist reaffirms dedication to personal and coworker safety. Simple practices like these help a culture of safety flourish. Safety measures should become part of daily routines, where mindfulness and teamwork are intrinsic. Before starting any high-risk activities, workers must evaluate the environment meticulously. For instance, if strong winds are forecasted, discussions should ensue about postponing tasks. Tasks should be delayed until conditions improve to safeguard everyone's well-being. When assessing work conditions, workers should prioritize checking for loose debris. They should also inspect for unstable surfaces that could compromise their footing. By integrating these principles into daily operations, teams cultivate a strong dedication to safety. This dedication extends beyond the immediate workplace. Prioritizing each individual's role in safety practices protects lives. It also strengthens the fabric of teamwork. A steadfast commitment to safety ensures that every worker returns home safely. Ultimately, it fosters a community that values life, not just a job. In the next video we will discuss about ladder selection and inspection. Stay connected with us. Thank you.